Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be covering part 2 of the highly requested video Selenium tutorial, how to make a Bing bot that can search anything you want and give you guys free Microsoft points. So in the last video we covered how to log into Bing and enter your password and everything, and in this video we're going to be covering how to enter random words so you can make those points. And before we jump into it, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below how you thought of the video was, and subscribe to the channel. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so first what we do is we need to make a list and we need to make a function and with a for loop that'll make the random words we need. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna make a variable called words 1 equals to, and then it's going to be a list, and then I'm going to paste in a list that I already have of letters in alphabetic order, so it can choose to generate it for us. Then I'm going to go down, then I'm going to make a random list called words, which is going to be where all the final words go, and they're going to be three letter words, and it's just going to be random words. So to create those words, now we make a for loop. We say for word in words 1, then we then we do just any variable like sum equals, then we do words 1, and then we find, and as you can see we imported random here earlier, so we just write here random.randint, and then yeah I'm just gonna paste in the command that I have, paste it in right here, and then I'm gonna go over here. So what this basically does is it chooses three letters from here, and it combines them, and then it adds them, and then now we're gonna add that to this list. We're just gonna say words dot append, and then we're just gonna say sum because that's the variable we created. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna need to make the search bar, and then we need to enter the X path of the search bar. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna just hash this out. We're gonna run this real quick to get the X path of the search bar. So I'm just gonna teach you guys how to do it. So we just let this log in, and then we go to the search bar, and then we just left click, we inspect it, and then we just copy the XPath right here. We just over here copy, and we just copy XPath. So I already have the XPath, so I'm just gonna paste it in right here. All we're gonna say is search bar equals right here. We're just gonna say search bar equals the find element by XPath command, which is built into Selenium. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna say for word in words 1, we're just gonna send the word into the search bar. Just gonna do this. We're just gonna type in the word, and then now we need to do time.sleep, just so we wait a little after typing in the word, and then let's just say 3 seconds, and then we need to click enter. So for that I'm gonna do search bar dot send keys, and then we do keys dot enter. Okay, so we're just gonna run this, And if it runs properly, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one. As you can see, it typed in a random word and it searched it. Thanks for watching. Peace.